I would not recommend doing this on your own, especially to anyone, and let alone without an engine hoist. So we creatively overcame an obstacle. I used car lug nuts as washers or spacers in order to close that gap, and now we should have, this should go here. This should fit no problem. We just have to find a way to get the front legs on. That's gonna be the fun part, right? Okay, so there you have stupidity at its finest, right? So I took the stand backwards far enough to take the tires out. I put the ladder underneath the engine. Then I ran to go and get the leg to attach to the stand, which is not even bolted in right now. It's just sitting on there just so I could get the chair out from underneath, because the motor was tilted backwards like that. And had that fallen backwards, well, we know what kind of mess that could have made. And I could have hurt myself really bad, so